Hey, good afternoon. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair in Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. I'm going to show you something real quick on how to get them hard hose clamps off. I know this is a family channel and I try not to use this, but this is the name of these clamps in our market. There's actually a name for them, I'm sure, but I don't know what it is. So this is called a bitch clamp. And the reason it is it's such a pain in the butt to get these off. But I wanted to show you this tool that I have. This holds that clamp, and this is how you get off hard to reach clamps. Now they make two different styles of this. I'm going to try to pull out the other one and find it if I can and show it to you at the end of the video. But this locks, and then you're able to take your tube and spin it. If you notice, that's in the same spot as where it originally was. Now I can release it and take the hose clamp plier tool off and get it out of there. What I'm working on is a 2010 Ford Edge, but this is found on every single car nowadays. These clamps are, and this is a much simpler way to get them hard to reach hoses off, and you should really invest the 25 bucks. They probably got these stupid things at Harbor Freight, even though they're not as good as whatever this is, probably a Snap-on or something, Matco, who knows what this thing is. But anyways, hopefully that's helpful. Remember, if any other man can do it, you can do it too. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair. If you got any questions, reach out to me on Facebook under Clay's AC and Auto Repair, or mostly subscribe to my videos, share my videos. God bless you. Have a great day.